We are going to take a quick look at an Evans Model 200 48-inch capacity pinch roller. The rolls are 52 inches in actual width. This one does have a segmented lower roll that gives you the advantage of being able to move the segments in case you do have some kind of build down on the bottom of whatever you're laminating. And there's really no downside to them. You do not have reduced pressure to the top like some people would think. The rolls, if you take a look, are in very good condition in this machine. We're gonna raise that top roll up. And as you can see, you do have, again, a 5-inch plus daylight opening, but you are limited by your guards. So you have about a little over 2 inches of clearance. If you needed more than that, you'd have to modify your guards. Obviously, this does have pneumatic pressure on that top roll. It uses spacers to space your gap. Obviously, this is gonna be a 3/4 inch with laminate on there. Hitting down is going to create that gap, and you do have spacers on either side. This machine is powered by a 1/3 horsepower, 115 volt motor. So it is single phase. There's no air leaks. The bottom roll is 31 inches off the ground. If it is on the floor, again, we have it mounted. We have it sitting on 4x4s just so we can easily move it. It does feature forward and reverse. Here is your forward speed. It's about 50 feet per minute. You do have a motor with a gearbox, and it is chain driven. And most important, if you're putting it in reverse, you do have to come to a complete stop. But there is reverse. And you do have pneumatic switches. If we take a look in these guards, so if you were to hit this guard, it is gonna raise your top roll off for safety. Again, that will not turn the motor off. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com, or you can give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in. It's a 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.